Hey, it's Ronan. I've been asked a few times this week about what songs should I play next. One student has got a few songs under their belt. Another student has finished children's songs, and they're asking what are sort of three or four songs that I could play with next. And this video isn't an answer that says play Chicken Dance, Shostakovich's Second Waltz, and Hey Jude, though they're good songs. I wanted to talk about the criteria of choosing your next song. And I think it's more important that you know the song and that it's a song that you do know than a song that's on a list that says this is an intermediate song. And let me talk you through the process a little bit. If there's a level of complexity to songs, children's songs are level 1, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and Flight of the Bumblebee is like a level 9 or 10. So from level 1 to 10. The majority of songs on Accordion Love are between a level 3 and 6, maybe a 3 and 7. Maybe there's a handful of songs, 5 songs that are at that level of difficulty of 7. But the majority of songs on Accordion Love are songs that are approachable, or songs that are doable, or songs that we can hum and sing along to. And that's one of the things that I wanted to discuss. The song that you learn next, you should be able to sing or hum along. So if it's Hey Jude, I think the majority of us who know the Beatles can sing Hey Jude or hum along in our head. Do 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 do. Compare that to Flight of the Bumblebee. It's difficult, right? I can't hum that along to that. I'm not going to try and play Flight of the Bumblebee. But to step back, the majority of songs on Accordion Love, the majority of popular songs, the majority of songs that you hear on TV, on the radio, sing along to, those are songs that you could play. You can play. To go back 2 points, the songs that I want you to play next are songs that you know. I have a section on Accordion Love recommending that the first songs that you play are children's songs. I say that because they're songs that are in you. They're songs that are ingrained in you since childhood. It's almost, you almost don't need sheet music for them. Sheet music is great to guide you, but those songs are internalized. The next song that you play, I highly recommend that it's also a song that you've internalized over a few days of listening to the song. And I'll link to a blog post that where I wrote a blog post about here's how to learn and memorize your first song by ear. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So come up with a list of 3 or 4 songs that you're interested in, that you want to learn, that you're going to be sitting with a song for about a week or 2, listening to it on repeat. Make sure it's a song that you want to learn. I think that's a big part of it. If I'm cooking something, if I'm learning to cook something, I'm more likely to be successful if it's something that I like. I'm not gonna say what I don't like. I'm likely gonna learn to be a good pizza chef because I'm going to be cooking pizza every week. I have an interest in learning pizza. And so as soon as I learn the techniques of making flour, of making dough and making good sauce and which cheese to use, I could start making pizza. I'm bringing back the analogy to music. As long as it's a song that you want to play, it's a song that you're going to be singing and humming, I have full faith that you're going to be able to accomplish it. And again, going back to the cooking steps, as long as you understand the principles that make up the song, and that's what I'm there to help you with. You understand that the song is made up of chords. You understand that there's a verse and a chorus. You understand how to practice those chords on your right hand with triads and building majors and minors, and how to move between those chords with your left hand. It's doable. And again, maybe 5 songs on Accordion Love are difficult. They have difficult ingredients, or they have a difficult bass jump, or a difficult key change, or a difficult syncopated rhythm. I'm thinking of Vive Dry. Aside from those few songs, the majority of songs you should be able to handle. And if they're a bit too difficult, I'm happy to show you the pathway of learning them. I hope that makes sense. I hope this helps you choose your next song. Bye-bye.